Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I had this Premier Black Cherry Juice Concentrate. So I'm gonna I have 16 ounces of water, and then I have a measuring glass because it calls for 1 ounce for every 16 ounces of water. Suggested use: mix 1 fluid ounce black cherry extract with 1 cup of water or other juice. Add some to your favorite beverage, etc., etc. I said extract. It's actually Premier Black Cherry Juice Concentrate. But let's open up, see what we get. And that's how I like to remove those little safety seals, so they come off pretty easy. And actually, I was going to make some like flavored gelatin blocks out of this, kind of like more of a protein gelatin. Between gelatin and some, I was going to use some collagen as well. So it's 100% juice, so there's really no need to mix it. So I just like always giving everything a shake. So let's pour in 1 ounce of the cherry juice extract. There I go, saying extract again. Concentrated juice. So we'll add that in there. And then we'll just mix this around a little bit. And see what it tastes like. So that's actually got a pretty good black cherry flavor too. You can definitely taste it. It's not too tart. I was expecting a little more tartness, but it's not too bad. And I think it's going to serve my purposes. But anyway, so your Premier Black Cherry Juice Concentrate. Great stuff. Anyway, Brian from Collagen Mahal, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.